Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi, my name is Nurul Nasirah Binti Mayudi. Today, I will talk about Highland Tower tragedy. On 11 December 1993 at approximately 1:30 p.m., Block 1 of the Highland Towers condominium suddenly toppled over and collapsed. The condominium comprised of 3 blocks of 12-level building located at Mukim Hulu Kelang. The collapse of Block 1 of the apartment caused the death of 48 people and led to the complete evacuation of the remaining 2 blocks due to safety concerns. The tragedy was caused by a landslide triggered by 2 weeks of non-stop rain. In 1991, a new housing development project known as Bukit Antara Bangsa Development Project commenced construction on the hilltop located behind the Highland Tower. The hill was cleared of trees and other land-covering plants, exposing the soil to land erosion that is the leading factor of causing landslide. Plus, the monsoon rain that was pouring continuously over the course of 10 days certainly made matters worse and burst pipe and water runoff from a nearby housing project. The failure of retaining walls under heavy rains was contributing factor, causing a landslide that led to the building's collapse. Heavy rain on 11 December 1993 had caused retrogressive landslide behind Block 1, which consequently include the instability of the pile foundation. The engineer was not considering the horizontal load during design foundation, so when the rotational retrogressive slide occurred, this forward movement downhill created a surcharge load to the foundation. Since the foundation cannot resist horizontal load, it fell, and as a result, the Highland Tower collapsed. Combination of several factors will contribute to the tragedy of Highland Tower. To determine the soil condition and the properties, we can use split spoon sampling by using standard penetration test. Standard penetration test or SPT test is performed to determine some properties of soil, especially in cohesion-less soil for which undisturbed sample cannot be simply obtained. Samples are taken every 1 meter depth. Samples are then stored in airtight containers to prevent water loss. Samples are then numbered and labeled. Sample wrapped in plastic line. Once we got the sample, we can determine what types of soil, either clay, sand, silt, or chalky, and we can also know the strength of the soil, whether the soil is suitable to build a building on it. To improve the soil condition, we can use vibroflotation. Vibroflotation involves the use of vibrating probe that can be penetrate granular soil to depth of over 100 feet. The vibroflotation is rise and low in a green pattern. Vibro replacement is a combination of vibroflotation with a gravel backfill resulting in stone columns, which is not increase the amount of densification but provide a degree of reinforcement and potentially effective means of drainage. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.